Imagine a world where your money is as safe as Fort Knox. A place where your investments are protected from hackers, market crashes, and even natural disasters. Does such a place exist? Today, we're going to dive deep into the security of Raiz, a popular investment app. Is it as secure as it claims to be? Let's find out. Understanding Raiz. Before we delve into security, let's quickly recap what Raiz is. It's a micro-investing app that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. Think of it as a digital piggy bank that automatically invests your spare change. Security measures. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, security. Raiz employs several measures to protect your funds. First, they use two-factor authentication, 2FA. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they'll still need a code sent to your phone or email to access your account. Second, Raiz uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal information. This ensures that your data is scrambled and unreadable to anyone who might intercept it. Third, Raiz is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC. This means that they're subject to strict financial regulations, which helps to ensure their security. But let's not just take Raiz's word for it. Let's look at some real-world examples of their security measures in action. In 2020, Raiz was involved in a data breach. However, the company quickly took steps to contain the damage and inform affected users. No financial data was compromised, and Raiz implemented additional security measures to prevent future breaches. Another example is Raiz's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The company took proactive steps to ensure the security of its systems and protect its customers' funds during this time of uncertainty. While Raiz has a strong security record, it's important to remember that no system is completely foolproof. There are always potential risks involved with online investing. For example, if you lose your phone or have it stolen, someone could potentially gain access to your Raiz account if you haven't enabled 2FA. Additionally, there's always the risk of market fluctuations. While Raiz can't control the stock market, they can help you to mitigate risk through diversification. So, is Raiz secured? Based on the evidence, it appears that Raiz takes security very seriously. They have implemented robust security measures, have a good track record, and are regulated by a financial authority. However, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and take steps to protect your account, such as enabling 2FA and being cautious about sharing your login details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.